Good morning. Exciting news. Today is shoot day. RUE magazine is coming here to shoot me for the cover of their first ever spring issue. And so they want to shoot my house. So Dave and I have been like madmen running around here trying to get our place looking all nice. So I just made our bed to make it look like it should be in a magazine. Anyway, I just did my hair and the whole crew is on their way here. So I'm gonna bring you along for the day. All right, I'm getting spooned by Natalia. The only makeup artist I know that curls my eyelashes is
I spoon all my clients. Basically.
Natalia always does an amazing job. I mean, I'm a different person. Thank you. You're welcome.
Ta-da! It's great. Yeah.
Would it be impossible to get the cat picture?
The cat?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll try. I'll try.
Monster.
I'm not even gonna make an effort because I'm gonna make it worse. So. Why not? And then scoot yourself just a little more forward, please. Nice. There we go. I know.
The camera.
Nice.
He's like, who is these people here?
What? They can't show this. Yeah, eyes here. Yeah. Oh. Okay, well.
Let's just see what happens.
Yeah. You remember this pose? Nice.
Ah, it's so pretty. That's what she just wrote.
Do you want to say something?
What's that?
I don't know. What?
It'll be nice to have some closer options.
Yeah, it is. Let's,
I can lose the pillow.
right.
But these 3 pillows and those black pillows and also that vase.
Do you think I'm not calling Target?
The vase? Yeah. Okay, I was gonna say.
And I
so-
just borrowed it last night. I went
What
to
is
your
it?
house and I was like, give me all your
It's so perfect in here?
Yeah.
It's so great.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Okay, we'll do your,
All right. Look at this. This is beautiful, man.
Where's the spoon?
You don't need a spoon. Look at his. He already has the best eyelashes.
He really does.
Thanks, girl.
what do you think?
We have some good ones. I like this. Yeah. Do you want to try doing something where you're both working?
Yeah.
You hold the tray and pass one to the other. I could also get out of the shot.
Something just like this.
Well, here, let's, yeah, just go ahead and try one.
I can shovel the snow a little bit. That helps.
No, because it's the whole background.
Yeah.
You have to shovel
That
all the way up that mountain.
Well, the deck is an option.
And that's a wrap. Issue comes out, printed issue comes out in the middle of March. So make sure to buy your magazine, RUE magazine. Right, Danny? March 15th.
Yes, also you can get my magazine.
Also, check out Danny's magazine, Naturally.